Hi, my name is Lila, and welcome to the Hope Channel for your Monday Morning Magic, where inspiration plus information equals transformation. I would like to offer you the opportunity to participate in the Let's Get It Done workshop, a 1-hour workshop for 9 weeks starting this Saturday, August the 8th, ending September the 26th on the Zoom platform. Again, Let's Get It Done workshop, 9-week workshop, free of charge starting August the 8th, ending September the 26th. The 9 topics include 1. Introduction. Let's get to know each other, find out what it is that you are trying to achieve. 2. Let's talk about the importance of telling somebody and identifying people to hold your ladder. 3. It's an inside job. And when we say that it's an inside job, that's exactly what we mean. What are your stumbling blocks that are keeping you or preventing you from reaching your goal? And then 4, we will talk about your level of commitment. Are you in it? Are you out of it sometimes? And we'll talk about commitment blockers. A lot of times people don't know what's blocking them from keeping their commitment. And again, implementing the 1% habit, the benefit of implementing the 1% habit. And then 6, steady as you go. Pacing yourself is really important. And 7, keep it simple. Stay out of your head. And then 8, inventory time. Are you reaching your goal? Not reaching your goal? What do we need to do? What do we need to get back on course? And then number 9, stay on the court. Stay in your goal. Again, first week, introduction. Second week, tell somebody. Third week, inside job. Fourth week, commitment. Fifth week, 1% habit. 6th week, steady now. 7th week, keep it simple. Stay out of your head. 8th week, inventory. And number 9, stay on the court. Again, this is about people who would like to set a goal, reach a goal, or keep a goal. All 3 of these elements are important to either identify a goal, to reach the goal, and maintain the goal. This has been your Monday Morning Magic. Hit me up on Messenger if you would like to participate so I can get you registered in this 9-week free workshop. Let's get it done. See you Saturday for the Let's Get It Done, and of course, every Monday for Monday Morning Magic. Have a great day.